BMW X5 M Competition has been revealed. Car features the M TwinPower Turbo V8 engine with 48-volt technology, 625 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes just 3.9 seconds. New front-end design ensures greater presence on the road. Outline of the new headlights is 35 mm narrower than on the outgoing model. BMW kidney grille now has the all-black finish. Horizontal kidney bars, larger model badging, black surface in the middle of the front end formed by the BMW kidney grille and lower air intake creates a dynamic appearance. At the rear, newly designed rear lights with light effects include a distinctive X graphic and pulsating turn signal indicators. Inside the main star is the new curved screen. Tell me in the comments how do you like the new BMW X5 M.